Everywhere we go in San Cristobal, we see these cool clay sculptures. This week, we head into the mountains to visit the village of Amatenango to learn how the indigenous women collect the clay and create these unique works of art. Later in this video, we will tell you how you can win one of these sculptures in our Instagram giveaway.
We are the Culture Trotters!
In late February, we left the States with nothing more than carry-on to become a full-time world-traveling family. 3 weeks in, COVID-19 shut down the world and changed everything. It's been quite the adventure riding things out in Mexico. Click that subscribe button and join us as we explore the reopening of Mexico and the world. We skip breakfast and head right to the Iguana Hostel to meet our guide, Rudy. Rudy has a lot of local and indigenous connections and offers a much more in-depth and personal experience than your average tour company. We highly recommend him if you're ever in the area.
To visit Amatenango del Valle. Is a place 1 hour from San Cristobal. Yes, we are going to visit a traditional and expanded way to work with the clay. All the environment that you will see on the road is like it's so beautiful. So we are going to enjoy it. Amatenango. Amatenango del Valle.
Whoa, look at that! You can go out there.
A quick stop to check out the town square, and then we're off to the church. In 2017, a major earthquake damaged many of the churches and historical buildings in the area. Due to limited funding, many of the churches are still not repaired. At this church, they have moved the saints into a side building for prayer, and Mass is now held in the courtyard. Here, Rudy explains to us what it means to be an autonomous community in Mexico.
To talk about the autonomy of the indigenous areas is to talk about the common law. Every people in the community, they have a special activity to do. In the past, when with the Aztecs or the Mayans, if someone steals some product from the market, authorities can cut the hands, no? Authorities or the people from the town, they were like taking stones and they were like killing them. Some punishment is like a steal a stone, it's like for example, can tag me, you know. The indigenous authorities, they have a stick, no, and they can beat the people who is making something wrong for the life of the community. In San Cristobal, yes, for the positive law, is different. The authority cannot beat the people, but here for the traditions, for the common law, they agree to do it, no, and the people accept that rules. No?
Don't get tied up and drug off. Follow the rules.
And now that we are aware we can get tied up and beaten with a stick if we don't follow the rules, it's time to go meet our host family.
Buenos días. Buenos días.
Albertina and Mary are two of 9 clay sculpting sisters. These two will be teaching us today, but first, breakfast.
Beans and avocados. Look at, whoa, let's get it out. I got to eat a whole avocado for breakfast.
Chiapas is very proud of its coffee. Today we are sitting about 10 feet away from the tree that these beans have been grown on. In 18 years, I have never seen Robert drink coffee. But how can you pass up something when it's this locally grown?
Now we're going to taste the posh, the corn cane alcohol. Yes, this is the pure one.
Okay.
Yes, because sometimes they are like putting some fruits inside, and it's like a
flavor.
Yes.
Yeah. Salud, salud. Salud.
Qué rico.
Qué rico.
That'll clean it.
See?
Gets my nose.
I've heard some horror stories about it.
See?
You know, there's some like, but it's good. It's good.
Fresa.
There were 3 adorable, cute little puppies, and we got to play with all of them, even the mom and the dad.
Albertina shows us around her museum and explains the clay process. Traditionally, the sculptors are all women. During the dry season, they head to a particular place in the mountains where they have been collecting the clay for centuries. Some women can carry up to 50 kilos of clay by themselves. Everyone does their share, and then the clay is distributed among each family based on their production needs.
I got the help course up to geodes. Or at least that's what they look like. They use it to make the pottery stronger.
So they have 2 of these that they use for firing the clay. They also do an older technique, which is just open air. And they make a base of coal down here with a lot of wood, so it's a nice even heat, and they can fire the pots. We'll actually put them upside down right there and on a grid, and they'll fire them right there.
And now it's time to see how we do at clay sculpting.
My foray into pottery making was pretty much an abject failure. And the most embarrassing part about this isn't the lousy job I did. It's my hands, Crystal's hands. How about that? Superwoman's hands.
She put like Vaseline on them before she started.
No tiene barro.
Just for the push. Okay.
There we go, there we go. I like it, I like it.
A little chicken.
Arabella has no patience. She's going to force it into the shape she wants.
I'm making the handles right now.
Oh.
These are handles, the bull, and swan heads, or dove heads.
Arabella, what's in the middle here?
A clover. I should probably redo it. It doesn't look as well as I hope.
So what you got, Alejandro?
Basketball field,
A what?
baseball field.
A stadium?
Playing ball games? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, like the Coliseums. You're getting all Roman over there.
Ridiculous.
And now you paint it and you'll be all set. Just the finishing touch, Alejandro, you'll be all set.
Dad, why are your jokes always the opposite of funny? Dad, now it's done. Now I made a bowl of meatballs.
Oh,
Ah, yuck, bad, not bad.
that is good as hers. All right, she did like this, and she put that on one side. This is good enough.
Okay, see.
You're a natural.
It's my calling. She's so fast. Oh, look at me, I'm keeping up. Hey, look what I
Yeah, it looks just like what she did.
did. Yeah,
Yeah, same thing.
I'm intuitive.
That is definitely the same as that.
Julia, the do. Oh, we're gonna get wings on here too.
Have you found a new calling?
Yeah, I live here now. Time before they kick me out when they go home.
Her wing looks like a windmill.
I know her wings are more. Oh, that's what they're doing. Oh, like putting stripes on it? I see. Did I do that right?
What's yours? Try wetting that.
I got it.
The fact that you failed yours makes her not want to listen to it.
Most successful coaches were not good players.
Dad uses this excuse to give unsolicited advice.
Done.
Maybe they could sell mine for a discounted rate. Half off. Padre, madre.
And now for a tour of the shop.
Hey, remember we said you could win one of these? We hand-selected a jaguar sculpture from Mary and Albertina's shop and are giving it away to one lucky Instagram follower. Head to our Instagram account, @CultureTrotters, between August 14th and 28th and check out our giveaway post to enter to win. As we were leaving, we noticed that just about every home in town had a clay workshop. The neighbors invited us in to see what they were working on.
I got to help chuck the corn for tortillas.
On our way out of town, Rudy took us for a quick stop at Juan Gomez Ramsey's shop. This family is known for making the best of the best. And while the prices definitely reflect it, you can clearly see the difference in the fine details. Thanks for watching. Help us out and give this video a like. Hit the subscribe button and join us for a little culture every week.
Hey.
I got really
Texas are like, it's 140.
And grow up in the States, like